Learn English, working on tasks, assignments. Welcome to our English language learning video on working on tasks, assignments. In this video, we will cover essential vocabulary and phrases related to this topic, which will help you effectively communicate about your work or school routines. Let's get started. To begin, let's familiarize ourselves with some key vocabulary that will be useful when discussing tasks and assignments. Pay close attention to these words. Task, a specific piece of work to be done. Assignment, a task or project given to you by a teacher or employer. Deadline, the date or time by which a task or assignment must be completed. Prioritize, to arrange tasks or assignments in order of importance. Efficiency, the ability to accomplish tasks quickly and effectively. Procrastination, the act of delaying or postponing tasks. Make sure to practice these words to improve your vocabulary related to working on tasks, assignments. Now that we have learned some important vocabulary, let's focus on how to talk about tasks, assignments in English. Here are some phrases you can use. I have a lot of tasks to complete today. I'm working on an important assignment for my English class. The deadline for this project is tomorrow, so I need to finish it today. I need to prioritize my tasks and start with the most urgent one. I'm trying to increase my efficiency by using a task management app. I should avoid procrastination and start working on this right away. Using these phrases will help you express yourself clearly when discussing your tasks and assignments. When working on tasks or assignments, it's important to provide updates on your progress. Here are some useful phrases for giving updates. I've finished half of the tasks, and I'm making good progress. I'm almost done with the assignment. Just a few more details to finalize. I encountered some difficulties, but I'm working on finding a solution. I've completed the most challenging part of the task. Now I can move on to the next step. I'm ahead of schedule, so I might be able to finish earlier than expected. Using these phrases will enable you to effectively communicate your progress to colleagues, teachers, or supervisors. Congratulations! You have learned important vocabulary and phrases related to working on tasks, assignments. Remember to practice using these words and expressions to improve your English skills. Keep up the great work, and we hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.